It says x cubed plus x is equal to 10. This question should have more than one answer. In fact, to be exact, it should have 3 answers because the greatest power of x is 3. Don't forget. Now, knowing this, let's find the 3 answers for x. Now, the first thing I do here is to bring this 10 over. So I have x cubed plus x minus 10 is equal to 0. From here, I need to find a 0 of x. What is a 0 of x, you might be asking? A 0 of x is that number which also sits for x that will make this equation equal 0. Hence, by deduction, I can deduce that the number is 2 cubed plus 2 minus 10. And 2 cubed is 8 plus 2, 10 minus 10 is equal to 0. Hence, we say 2 or x is equal to 2 is a 0. But when you cross 2 over to this side, you're seeing that x minus 2 is what you get, is equal to 0. X minus 2 equal to 0 is a factor. Alright? Now, moving on, we have, from here, we have that if we divide this equation, or this one, by its factor, we will get the remaining factors. Alright? Just like a room. So we have x minus 2 being one factor. We'll divide x cubed plus x minus 10. X into x cubed is x squared. We have x cubed minus 2x squared. Alright, when we subtract, now remember that we don't have anything in x squared, so just imagine that we have 0x squared. Right? Minus minus is plus, so we have 2x squared left. I remember that we have plus s here, so I will bring down plus s. Okay. Now, 2x squared into x is plus 2x. This is now 2x squared minus 4x. When we subtract, we have 5x left. We'll bring down negative 10. Right? So 5x minus 10. Divide this, we have plus 5, and then we have 5x minus 10. Alright. So from here, you can now see that we have 2 answers, 2 factors now. So we have x minus 2 and x squared plus 2x plus 5. Now, how do we get the remaining zeros of this equation? We get the remaining zeros by solving this quadratic equation here. So we're going to have x squared plus 2x plus 5. Alright? Okay, solving this, we're using the quadratic formula. And quadratic formula simply states that x here will be equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. A is equal to coefficient of x squared, which is 1. B is equal to coefficient of x, which is 2. And C is equal to the constant term, which is 5. Alright? Now, from here, we can now substitute this into this. So we have x is equal to minus 2 plus or minus square root of 2 squared is 4 minus 4 times 5 is 20. Alright? Over 2 times 1 is 2. This is equal to minus 2 plus or minus root of negative 16 over 2. Alright? Now, root of negative 16 can be rewritten as, so we have minus 2 plus or minus I root 16, because I is root of negative 1. Alright? Now, this now becomes equal to minus 2 plus or minus root of 16 is 4. So we have 4i over 2. Hence, x now becomes equal to, this divide this is minus 1 plus or minus, this divide this is 2i. Alright? Or, we have the first answer which we had, which is 2. So, invariably, what we've said so far is that x is equal to minus 1 plus 2i, or minus 1 minus 2i, or x is equal to 2. Thanks for watching. I hope this made sense. If it did, I would really appreciate if you leave me a like and a comment if you didn't understand. Thank you and God bless. Bye bye.